Hi, this is Sambo AU from DoLesson.com. In this episode, I shall be taking topic and geography, longitude and latitude. I hope you will find it interesting. Latitude is an imaginary line that is drawn on the Earth's surface, and it runs north and east of the equator. In other words, you can define latitude as an angular distance of a point or place north and south of the equator. Examples of latitudes are the equator, marked 0 degree. The Tropic of Cancer, marked 23.5 degree north. The Tropic of Capricorn, marked 23.5 degree south. The Arctic Circle, marked 66.5 degree north. And the Antarctic Circle, marked 66.5 degree south. These are the few important lines of latitude. At the extreme of the Earth, since the Earth assumes a spherical shape, we have 90 degree north and 90 degree south, respectively. Latitude, though imaginarily, they are used on the Earth's surface by man. They help man to calculate distance between 2 points marked on the Earth's surface. For example, if we have two places, north, that is 60 degree north, and 30 degree south. Lines of latitude could be used to calculate the distance between these 2 points. Supposing this is point X and this is point Y. Before we proceed to the calculation, we shall see how the values are derived. Like I said earlier, the Earth is spherical in shape. And so a total number of 360 degrees is contained in it. Also, we have the equatorial circumference, the polar circumference. When the values of the circumferences are added together, an average is found, and that gives us 111 kilometers. That gives us 111 kilometers, which we shall apply in our solution. Let's proceed. Supposing we have Nigeria, which locates on longitude 15 degrees east. Nigeria, and latitude 4 degrees north. And also another place, Y, which locates on latitude 30 degree north. The distance on these two places could be calculated by subtracting the value of 4 from 30 and the difference multiplied by 111. We have a simple formula that when two places locate on the same side of the latitude, north, north, their difference is subtraction. When two places locate on different sides of the equator, north, south, their difference is addition. Now, if we have another place on the equator and another place on either either north or south of it, we will either subtract or add depending on the value. Then we can proceed to calculate this. The steps are: 1, find the difference between the latitudes. Of Nigeria and a point Y. Then, number 2, multiply the value by 101 kilometers. Since 1 degree equals 111 km. I had earlier explained that. Then, number 3, that will give us automatically the value in kilometers. Hence, we have 30 degree minus 4 degree. And this will give us 24 degree. 101 kilometers. 111 kilometers. Since 1 degree is equal to 111 kilometers. Sorry. That is 30 degree minus 4 degree will give us 26 degree. We now proceed to multiply. 111 multiplied by 26. This will give us the distance of 2,886 kilometers between Nigeria and point Y on the Earth's surface. Longitude are angular distance of a point marked in degrees east or west of the Greenwich meridian. Meridian 0 is the origin, which is otherwise known as the prime meridian. And each longitude, either east or west, takes its origin from the North Pole and terminates at the South Pole. Take, for instance, if this is longitude 20 degree, we will have longitude 20 degree west and longitude 20 degree east, which means that the longitudes form what we call great circle. A great circle is any line that divides the Earth into two halves. While the center of it is the prime meridian. Now, as we talked about latitude before, longitudes are used to calculate local time in relation to the international time, otherwise known as the GMT. The lines of longitude, when intersected with lines of latitude, locate a point on the map. Also, the Greenwich meridian is the origin. For example, calculate the time on X longitude 30 degree and another place on longitude 70 degree, either east or west. Let's take, for example, this is longitude 30 degree east, and this is longitude 70 degree west. The steps is that we will subtract the value of the longitude in the smaller unit from that of the bigger units. But before we calculate, I will also remark that if two places lie on the same side of the longitude, the difference is subtraction. While if two places lie on different latitudes, for example, this and this, east or west, their difference is that of addition. Then, number 1, find longitude difference. Number 2, convert the difference to time. Number 3, add or subtract according to the direction of movement. Okay, Based on that, we will have longitude difference equals 70 plus 30 degree, since they lie on opposite side. Then that will give us 100 degrees. Number 2, we will convert that to time difference. That would be 100 divided by 15, and the answer will be in hours. Note that 1 degree is equal to 15. 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. Note that 1 hour equals 15 degrees. So automatically, when we divide 100 by 15, the answer will be in time and not in degree again. So we proceed. By simple calculation or cancellation, 5 will give us 3, 5 will give us 3, and 5 will go here. Sorry. 5 will give us 2, 2, and 5 will go into 10, 2, remainder nothing. To this 20. And 3 will divide 20, it will give us 6. And 2 over 3. Now, this means that we have 6 hours and 2/3 minutes. Then we shall convert that minutes to we shall convert this fraction to minutes by multiplying it by 60. And this becomes 60 over 1 times 2 over 3. And this will give us 40 minutes. Now, the time between the 2 points becomes 6 hours, 40 minutes. In our next edition, we shall consider detail of the differences between longitude and latitude and their various applications. I hope you will find it interesting. Thank you.